Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share this hairstyle which is very easy, and these tiny flowers make the bun more elegant. So I also describe how anyone can easily stick those flowers like I did. Now starting by middle parting my hair, I'm going to make a low ponytail. For this particular hairstyle we don't have to tie the ponytail tight, so it is good for those who have migraine or sinus or just don't like to tie their hair tight. After that, I'm dividing my hair into 3 equal portions and start braiding. Nothing fancy, just a normal 3-strand braid. And for the extreme end of the braid, I'm going to tie the rest of my hair so that the bun looks more clean. Pull the hair strands for voluminize and thick look. Now take the braid and make a bun by twisting your braid like this way. And secure the bun with U-pins. If you have thick and medium length hair, at least 6 to 7 U-pins are enough. Now for front section, pull your hair little bit and secure this with some bobby pin. And the bun is ready. Now coming to the fun part. Here I have some fresh jasmine flower. You can use any tiny flowers you are comfortable with. Then with the help of my eyelash glue, here I am using duo lash glue. I am going to stick the flowers and take a small flower, apply some glue and hold it like your hair for 3 to 5 seconds and then release. And that's it. Again I am doing it for the second one, applying some glue and hold it like this and release. As it's a time consuming process, I'll skip the part and going to show you the final result. Now you can see in the middle part the density of the flowers are quite huge than the other area. I have done it purposefully to make the bun more beautiful. It's completely your choice how you stick those flowers. So I hope this video helps, and subscribe my channel, like this video, also share it with your loved ones.